at Old World Village?
Kinderfest is a special event that features fun for the whole family. Every Sunday during Oktoberfest, Old World Huntington Beach hosts this fun event that includes carnival games, a bounce house, wiener dog races, the chicken dance, and more.
Oh yeah, you met the chicken man, Carter. You met the chicken man. It's at Old World 40th Oktoberfest, Huntington Beach, California.
But this is my favorite color.
Gold? Cool shirt, dude. So at the Oktoberfest, they're doing Dachshund races. And Dachshund, that's a German word. I think it means like a badger hound, maybe? Something like that. Maybe this is when Mama can cut out to you're learning something today.
He's actually right. The word Dachshund means badger dog in German. Dachs means badger and Hund means dog or hound. The Dachshund was bred for hunting small animals. Its long, slender body is perfect for digging into burrows.
Carter getting ready to watch the wiener dog races.
So first up we've got Nikita and Kevin. On deck will be Haley and Phoebe, followed by Badger and Dean.
There it is.
All right, on your marks, get set, go!
What'd you think about those dog races, Carter?
It was cool.
They're pretty fast, huh? Well, some of them were fast, some of them kind of got distracted and didn't really run too much. All right, let's go check out what else they have here. Alright, give 5. Good job, bud. Yeah. Chicken dance.
There are a lot of neat German-themed toys, clothing, and products to buy at Oktoberfest.
What's up, dude? Let's check out your hat. Nice. A Viking hat. Let me see your hat, Preston. Woo.
Daddy, look it.
Ow.
I loved trying some authentic German food.
Got a good pretzel, Preston? Thumbs up. What do you got, Carter? A pretzel. All right. Some German sauerkraut right here. First time ever trying it. Thumbs up? All right. All right, we're gonna try this brownie right here. Give it a try, Carter. It looks pretty good. Here, take a bite.
Before or after Oktoberfest, you can walk through all of the cool shops at Old World Village. We had a blast at Kinderfest. Don't forget to learn something new every day.